Hey y'all, welcome back. I've got a good one for you today. Another fall wreath. This one is so fast and easy. You're gonna make this in no time. Let's get started. All right, y'all, don't blink. This is gonna go so fast. It'll be done before you know it. I have my Grapevine wreath that I got from Hobby Lobby. This is about an 18-inch one, I would say. And it was about $5, $5.50, but they're always on sale, so super cheap regardless. I've got 10 strips of each. They are 8 inches in length. And then for these two right here, I have 5 of each, and I'm going to alternate 5 on this one and 5 on this one, just to give it a little bit of color and dimension around the wreath. I also have my jute twine that I'm going to tie my bundles. You can absolutely use zip ties if you want to. I just think this might be easier just for this one. Alright, so I'm going to create all my bundles and I'll be right back. I've got all my bundles done. I got my dovetails all cut. That was actually the longest part of the process, just cutting all the tails off the ribbons. And if that's not your style, you absolutely don't even have to do it. So that'll save you a lot of time if you choose not to. We're going to get these glued on and let's see how it turns out. Alright, I told y'all. Super quick, super easy. I found some of these Robert Stanley Fall Classics glitter filler. I got this from Hobby Lobby. I think I'm going to use some of the pine cones. So I've just got a little tray of them, and I'm just going to put a tiny little glue dot on each one of them. Put them in the center. And here's how it turned out. I decided to put this on my pantry door. I think it's beautiful. I love the colors. I think it turned out really, really nice. Let me know what you think. Where are you going to put your next fall wreath? Until the next one, bye!